Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County, Hancock County, northern Morgan County, Johnson County, eastern Hendricks County, Marion County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Zionsville to Plainfield to 9 miles west of Mooresville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Carmel, Greenwood, Lawrence, Plainfield, Franklin, Brownsburg, Greenfield, Beech Grove, Speedway, Mooresville, Danville, Southport, Avon, New Whiteland, Cumberland, McCordsville, Whiteland,
I live
and
near
Bargersville.
Trove.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 84 and 128. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 50 and 110. Interstate 74 between mile markers 64 and 113. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Sorry, I'm focusing on
Torrential
something else.
rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Hendricks, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, and Shelby.